So after creating your Gmail account, it's time to start creating a Blogger. Go to blogger.com, press enter. As you can see, this is our main page. Publish your passion your way, and this is their main page. Now you can click here, create your blog, or you can sign in. Let's click here, create your blog. As you can see, it's asking me to sign in using my Gmail account. Now I'm here. Next thing is choosing your language. I want to choose English, United States. Now you can use your own Google Plus profile or switch to a limited profile. Let's say that we want to make our profile or our website for kids or for YouTube gaming or gaming website, gamers. Okay, continue to Blogger. Check out the simplified dashboard. This is blog. This is our live vlogs. If you have 100 blog, you can switch between them using this button. Now, after that, as you can see, this is the main dashboard. Here I can create a new blog, or I can change the settings. Let's go to settings. These are user settings. User profile, I did choose Blogger and create a profile called Gamers. You can choose the language. You can choose to receive email notification for features announcement. That is really helpful. Then say save settings. As you can see here, we have a warning. European Union's law require you to give European Union visitors information about cookies used on your blog. So this is a privacy notification. Next thing, go back to the welcome page and click here, create new blog. Let's say we want to name it Gamers blog or Gamer blog. Okay, choose your domain. Your domain will look like this. My new blog address .blogspot.com. So let's say gamer.blogspot.com. This is a free domain. After that, I will teach you in a separate lesson how to get a paid domain that will look more professional at a very low price. But for now, let's stick to the free option. Gamer 2017. Let's see if that's available. Okay, this is not available. Someone else's. Gamers online, or let's say YouTube for gamers. Okay, this is available, YouTube for gamers.blogspot.com. You can quickly choose any of the templates here. Let's keep it to this one and click here, create blog. Okay, now this is our blog dashboard. I will explain it in the next lesson, and we will talk about few things. Thanks for watching. That's it for creating your first blog. Now, another thing to mention before ending this lesson, as you can see here, I can choose any of these blogs. I can create another new blog, and let's name it test 1 2 3, and choose that template. Okay, this is to show you that I can create multiple blogs and switch between them. Creating a blog, test was created successful. This is my new blog. So now I have two websites, Gamer blog and the test website. These two are websites. If I went to Gamer blog, I can, as you can see, this is my dashboard, and you can view that blog by clicking here, open in a new tab. This is our first website and it's online, YouTube for gamers.blogspot.com. Next, I will show you how to customize it after talking about this dashboard. Thanks for watching. This is Moneymakers Team.